Welcome back to Milesweb channel. In this video, you will learn how to protect WordPress page using password. Before starting with the step-by-step process, first we'll see the importance of password protection for WordPress page. If you want to restrict visitors to access a specific post, you can consider enabling password protection. Visitors with password can read the post. Visitors who don't have the password would be restricted from accessing or reading the post. So, this activity is important to protect the critical information present on the website's page. Now, check the step-by-step process to protect WordPress page using password. To start with, log in to WordPress as an admin. You get this WordPress dashboard. On the left side, go to Posts and click on Add New button. Now, write a post. Then click on Publish button. After clicking on Publish button, under Visibility section, you get three options: Public, Private, and Password Protected. Select the third option as Password Protected and in the text box, type the password. Make sure the password you enter is alphanumeric. Click on Publish button. Click on View Post. Now you can see this content is password protected. Type your password and click on Enter button. As you can see, the content gets displayed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.